Again, good morning, guys. Now, third topic, solution of central problem in different economy. हम लोगों ने पिछले चैप्टर पढ़ा था देर आर थ्री टाइप ऑफ इकोनॉमी. फर्स्ट, मार्केट और फ्री इकोनॉमी. यू नो what is the free or market economy? In this type of economy, there are no intervention of government, and market forces decided the demand and supply of the product. The question is कि if in our country there is market economy, then question arise what to produce, how much quantity to be produced, second problem how to produce, and third one for whom to produce. Simple answer, in market economy producer wants maximum profit, so he will produce. What to produce means he will produce capital goods instead of consumer goods, because in capital goods he got more profit in comparison with the consumer product. Then quantity, according to demand he will produce the quantity. Now second, in market economy, second problem, how to produce. He will minimize his cost, so he use capital technique instead of labor intensive technique, because he don't care about the labor, about the society, about the consumer. He wants only to gain maximize profit. And thirdly, for whom to produce. As I told you, there are two types of group in each society, rich and poor. He will produce for rich people. He will not produce for poor people. So in market economy, if I want to summarize, in market economy, producer produce capital goods, he will use capital intensive technique, and he will produce for rich people. Second, central planned economy. In central, as I told you, in this type of economy, there is a government intervention or the government body intervention. We cannot produce according to our choice, because in this economy, the object of this economy to fulfill the wants of society. In this economy, first problem, what to produce. So I think in this economy, consumer goods will be produced, because the welfare is the major motto of government. Second, how to produce. Then labor intensive technique will be used in central planned economy, because in this economy the motive of government to give more and more employment to the society. And third one, for whom to produce. Obviously, in this economy, for poor people, we will produce goods. If I summarize this, we can say in central planned economy, what to produce? Consumer goods. How to produce? Labor intensive technique, and for which for whom to produce, then for poor people. And third and last, mixed economy. As we know, in mixed economy, this economy have the characteristics of market economy as well as central planned economy. In some case, in this type of economy, our country has mixed economy concept. In this type of economy, we will produce both type of goods. Some goods we will use what to produce, some goods for society and some goods for other persons. So we will produce consumer goods as well as capital goods. How to produce? Second problem, we will produce goods by both techniques, labor intensive and capital intensive. We use where we want that in particular area there is a unemployment. So in that area we use labor intensive technique. And if we have cost issue, then we will use the capital intensive technique. So we made our product cheaply. And for whom to produce? In this type of economy, we will produce for both section of society. Some product for poor and some product for rich person. I think it is clear. If you have any problem, you can call me or send your text on WhatsApp. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.